Don't wait for perfection, start now. When we have dreams, we have a passion. When we have a passion, we want to do it with perfection. Often, when we have some goals, we want to start it with a blast. We want to become an overnight star. We want to achieve best as soon as possible. But things take time. It gets better with the time, but the key is to start as soon as possible. What happens is that we have an idea, which we think can change our or someone's life instantly. But we don't work on it until we have favorable situations. We wait for more time and more resources. And, one day someone else built a product on that idea and we regret. We have heard this statement, "Oh, I also had the same idea, but could not start." How perfection often turns out our biggest enemy. Initially, once an idea enters into our mind, it takes a lot of time. We don't have sufficient information initially. We have some doubt in your mind, and the worst of all is that you want to start it perfect. No, that is not possible most of the time. This feeling of "I will do it perfect" often stops us before we start. Think for a while how much time we waste before making the first move towards our goal. What happens is this. You are about to start and then you realize that you can do it better. You stop it between and say that "I will do it tomorrow in a better way." Few days passed and you lost interest in that idea. It could be your business idea or something about your dream. How to handle the thought of being perfect. Look for perfection. That is fine. Try to do things as good as possible. That is all right. But don't stop doing it because you cannot do it perfectly. Take a step and keep learning. You will get better while doing it. Strive for continuous improvement, instead of perfection. It is on everybody's mind. Once I will switch my current job, I will pursue my dream. Once I will earn this much, I will start my business. Once I will have more time, I will start going to the gym. Once I will have fewer responsibilities, I will start enjoying my life. How perfection has destroyed your dream. Here is another example. You want to become an artist, such as a singer, writer, painter, or anything. Suppose you got a chance to participate in an event and showcase your ability. If you try to find an excuse that you have not prepared well, that means you are waiting perfection. Don't just miss the opportunity. Perfection is not attainable, but if we chase perfection we can catch excellence. It's done. It is all right if it was not perfect. Keep learning. We went for an interview, but it did not go well. We are just back from holiday trip, but few things left to explore. We are just back from a movie which we went with high expectations, but it turned out lesser than that, or disaster. It is okay if it was not perfect. We often end up with disappointment, because we or something underperformed our expectations. Things don't always happen in our way. Life is exciting, because it is unpredictable. The secret of lasting happiness is to enjoy the journey and never stop learning. The artist who aims at perfection in everything achieves it in nothing. Therefore, it is all right if you do not sing perfect. It is all right if you don't play perfectly. It is wise to accept that we cannot excel at everything. Keep doing it as long as you like it. Keep moving and keep enjoying. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.